Hey, this is a companion video to yesterday. Yesterday I did a video showing you how I practice some songs that I already know for a gig that's coming up in 3 days now. I wanted to show you how I learn a song that I don't really know, Czardas. I hope I'm pronouncing it somewhat correctly. Let me show you how I go about it. So I'll share my screen. I have the sheet music for it. But this doesn't really tell me too much. I have these 3 chords, the 1, 4, 5. I have a bit of a cold, sorry. And then there's a part B. I know how to play these chords, but how do I apply it to music? So I just Googled Csárdás, and there I listened to this performance. Let's listen to another performance on clarinet, and I'm going to try and play along to it. Now, on September 28th, on the gig, I'm going to be playing it in C minor. The version I heard yesterday was in D minor. So I'll play along to the video and transpose live. Obviously, I have lessons on transposing. This is just to get the idea of how to play the song. This might be in C minor. Yeah. I'm following along. I'm trying not to look. I know the 3 chords. C minor, F minor, G or G7. They're playing a little bit of a different. I'm not just playing the chords fully. I'm playing with this clarinetist and piano player. Fast. Oh, this happens again. Right, so I'm trying to match my tone, add color. What does another sound like? Yeah. Beautiful. The fast part. Page 2. Oh. Beautiful. I need to open page 2. So I'm going to rewind that transition. Major. Listening. This is the chords. These are the line 2, C. pause for a minute. These, I'm doing a C major on my right hand. Split chords. Right hand plays the top, left hand plays the bottom. Left hand is going C major, E, F to the D minor, D, I don't know, so probably D minor to G to C major again. Right hand C, C over E to F to the D minor. Right hand C, left hand G. Let's keep listening. Catching the rhythm. So, can I start? So, I understand the song. Could I start with the remaining time of my practice? Again, I'm not expected to play solo Czardas. It's not going to happen. Can I accompany the 3 other bandmates? Yes. Can I look up? Likely. I'll have the sheet music there, but I'll look up. Can I play some harmony? Maybe. Let's try. So, I'm watching, like a hawk, the clarinetist's movements. Watch his body movement. Oh, I don't know the chords. Let's do it again. B flat. Look at the stomping. We ended together. That was a really hard thing to do because the audience is clapping slowly and he's trying to go a bit faster and the accompanist is trying to get it all together. What a cool performance. So I feel ready. Not for a solo accordion performance, but for what's happening on Sunday, I feel prepared enough. Good. I hope this has been helpful for you. Just to keep in mind, what do you have to do for the event? If someone comes up to me on the street and says, hey, can you play Czardas? No, I can't. On Accordion Love, I have one of my free resources is how to learn an accordion song, listening to it over and over again, so I can hum it. Can I hum Czardas? No. The last part, I can sort of play, but solo I can't do that yet. But am I ready to accompany a clarinet player? Yes, if I have the sheet music in front of me. And someone else is keeping the song going. I'm the third person to assist. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.